world by UN or by declare khajak sini sal hinai. Dini topics theme become protecting the rights of indigenous people in voluntary isolation and initial contacts. Obo Tamuni je sini present situation by or theme blackly related. Just theme is a specific thing is there. Sini indigenous people, so Simono be world almost around 800 crore population. Are missing 6.2% means 48 crore sini indigenous people. Are missing India was 7.5%. So 140 crore around 10 crore people. Tiprasa tongo 31% means 14-15 lakh. While the indigenous people no gromoi or the teams namzaka amad zagato zagabo very kaiman. Jota zaga agni maya. People all the tackling team on black in Thani, sing by related Chini Tiprasa by. Sing the indigenous people always sing voluntary isolation means or the angbuji money. Sing Chini. Kisah alada sing remote area tongo bolong nature by related nature tongo sini culture sini tradition sini language na protect kanya bagai sing self sufficient kaya sini self no pura sing depend kaya bunyo pura depend kaya patani pura depend kaya boy sini indigenous people sing ama hekanya kusung bosa romoi sing thangi payo initial contact Fatani borok sungno force kai contact kaya na itu. Bahkan contact kaya man sung je jaga tongo. Sini jaga na segna ni bagai. Engai mana deforestation, engai mana miners, engai mana government agency borok sini tong kaya segna ni bagai tabuk segi force contact kaya tongo. Obongka oh sini ni je team tackling je team. Obono safeguard kaya ni bagai. Sing jotona responsibility manahane. Tiprasa is itihas, Tiprasa is the present condition. Tamuni is a team, ekdam 100% mean. Sini aro, sing Tiprasa ro kaibre jaga segya. Sini hawa tongo sini culture sini tradition sing safeguard kaya unsur bosa sing pai jong. A jaga outsider means sawa. Kubuni bosoni, Patani, Debbarma ni mungoi. Settlers ni mongoi sini hana segi tong or team taklai rizaka phebo sing obuni all the problems and face kai peka from the very beginning Jeffrey Mars arangka afro sing mahai to tinini team no sing face kai ma peki anu bagai sini indigenous people awak team kun katalia sing obuna sing manjak jak sing physically manjak jak omama haiki satok jak amon basini sini rajna sing protect makhanyai phatarni outsider ni yak ni hoje tini sing nogo struggle sing khai phayo sing one so je kaisa struggle pakai te kaisa phaigla khnai kaisa sing achievement makhai sini success sing desep ni je ba abni se saka sini Tiprasa ni je dopani bagi samong khai phainero sing kaisa step to step phaigen edisi mangka wan soka sing edisi mangka sini joto man paikha te sing agitation khaya nagala khanai pheba aboni puro problem phayo face sing ma khane tini sing kaisa bai kaisa fight khaya sini right no protect khaya nangkom wal UN was in right no declare khairika UN dribas in right declare khairika pheba India government or right now violation kaitung. Sini right now, not devastation. Sini je tong thai, cha thai. Sini culture na borok. Sekamana bagi try kaitung one by one. India government kayo, Tiprasa government kayo. Bahai ke sini kogna sekamana ni. Sini culture na bahai ke sekamana ni. Tong thai, cha thai. Sini je agini je tradition je sisi tong thai mana abono bahai ke sini sekamana ni. Abo try kaitung sini agency, sini government. India government, state government, yakap sin bisin. अबनो जों अबनो जों protect मा खायनाय तिनि नि team अबनो तिनि जों सजाब अबनो बागै जों कायसा achievement मा खामिनि वानसना कक्रेसि बुस कामते problem फाइगला खनि जों नुबै फायो कायसा पलिटिनि education movement खा खाय सिनि जे 31% और सिनि right result एडिसि state government बाय implement खायसे गया बसर तो बसर 91 नि सिमे जे अब सावलो खाय फेमानि ताबसो जरा रिजाय बुमुं फुना प्रखा जोंना 31% तिप्रासा मान होने आबनि बागै चिरि खगै लामो नखरै जों सेगै मानाव कुनु जागा सक्सेस दङ कुनु जागा सक्सेस गैया ते फायो जागा डेभलपमेन्ट नि मुङै शपिं मल खायना बागै हाईवे खायना बागै सिनि बरनि जागा सेक्टर सिरि खगलायो लामा कासलायो आमबो पार्टली सक्सेस पार्टली स्टप खायमानो पार्टली स्टप खायमिया ताबो कटाल फायो का सुप्रीम कोर्ट indigenous people no tola khikalaina bagai one by one quarter agency government agency sini against nangai dong bumung kaitamo bukhogwa hisna hamdar defono aun bagai jorabo kom sini rajya jeng protect ma khanye bakha banya ko krai tamni ga Tiprasa rok ustada khai loi जों जिनि से अक्रा खाइ फाइगा ताव खाइ दङ जों खाइ फाइगा ताव खाइ मा थांनाय नरता वानसुनि नरबो खाइ नांगलाखनि केबुनि राइट न प्रोटेक्ट खाइने बै फादरनि बरक फाइगला सिनि राइट सिनि मानथाय टंथाय जाथाय न प्रोटेक्ट खाइने बै जों मा बासनाय कासा बरनो पुरा डिपेंड खाइं माया खरकसा बरक केबुनि बानसिरि माया आउन बगै जों युनिटी बगै जत्तन जानि जागा वेदि स्टुडेन्ट बिनि साथक जाखा बिनि डिप्राइभ खाइजागा आबनि एगेन्स्ट खरक माति सानाय दफानि एगेन्स्ट जरि केबो नष्ट खायना गाबति खरक माति सानाम दयजों रेडी मा थांनाय जों जरा गाहाम फायो नि केबो दंखाना ककरै जरा गाहाम स्रापसन बगैसे हामियाबो फायनाय आबनो जों भाइके टेकल खाय हैंडल खायै बसका आग्रने आबनो जों रेडी मा दंनाय आमनानि कयमु नरक न जतने रेडी तंगे सिनि राइट प्रोटेक्ट खायना बगै फ्यूचर जेनी स्ट्रगल आबनो जों हैंडल खायना बगै जों रेडी मा दंनाय आंगो कक सावनो दिनै नाव वर्ल्ड इंडिजिनस पीपल सालो कगान कगनो अरनो मथाक्सिन हामबाय
League of Nations, even prior to independence of India, 1923. After Simno League of Nations or Tangai, Arotongo Taboka, Aro chief desk Kaheno Bono, Bo Canada ni, Bo Soita Nation, Iraqis League Notina about Tani, Tambagi of purpose of Saka, we need to know the background behind that. Tambagi get Afro Kajab, Sun Samino colonizer. They are under colonizer. You talk about only land rights, honey territory, all the resources. So to to protect, boni rights now defend Kaina bagi, but League of Nations not thanka, but the door were closed to them. Boni thani doga mutubirka. So that was the history. Aboni pore thani said 1980 to 17% Taisa Chengo United Nations or Thani also like more finally. So that is just part of history. Tabuk sing look at the team or protecting the rights of indigenous people in voluntary isolation in initial contact. Sing Samano indigenous people sing Tongla Musungu, we live in our own land, in our own territory. So after initial contact, sing Abel Bisingo sing Tamosini changes Robert Nook Sini. That is my understanding. Sing slides among Rokam can we fight. Sing initial contact ba Paiman Yakolo. Sing Tabung like just for example, sini contact of sing like again. Jeffru sing in the March Singha. We were in contact with other group also. And we see those periods. A periods is Jorab Sungukatamo. Sing contact in Manipore. Sini cultures rock, Kamai Tomakia. We have been sini kemama camung lumung berai kemai dongka. Ang tiga abon teh kulumung boya faro. I'm relating those histories and the present context. Tambahi hingga ke semno. Our main purpose of Indigenous Day, abono to create awareness. Zetama achieve klaikya. What are the struggle the indigenous people go through? Afro sungluk pakya. So now, in the same way, Tiprasa So look after being contact with other group, sini tamongka, we have lost. We are sini je re chumung tomaro, amok kemarin jora thang tomani. Tini abon bagina amak khulomo je sini okra sakra tomai rok, o period to, je o period no hunmano je 1960s period. Therefore, so I have to take some of the organization. I'm sorry. Maybe Tabuk Tiprasa Students Federation, TUKS, TUGS. They are Jelida Tonero, Boro, Ebonke revive Clapifika. We must give big salute to them. We cannot forget. Some Mutu Poyo Tangmania, some Mutu Maklainai. So, our period is missing revolution Jetuina, Tabuk, Kalmung, Chumung, Chamung, Tuitomani. So, Kamai Tomate Hetuifaka. Because Avanos, Tabuk Tamusanke. Even the UN drift but tamas as the article 25, 26, 27 of night hanga sing tamunuk aro sing 27 even you can take the example of Dumbo Dam. Kind of sakang it should be taken prior consent from the indigenous community. Nkruna tangabo. Dinisini has in grave project tongo but UN drift omobosau. Nono suna nang lai Hanibusa no suna nang lai ninotam kaya nang kaya. Those are the struggles we are going through. Tabuk type naik kaya sendugu kemasini the forest land it should be managed by the community. Our community forest work we can ask for community land and these are very crucial period. Singapore like one should tie. How can we make this into our community land managed by the community? The forest land can be managed by the community. Singapore sung discussion khalanya nong. So ama hakena sung luka up period is seeming there is a change in reviving our culture, language. Sung tabo ama hakena sung sinikok language of not to revive kai doing for you. So sung tam sangkabono o je contact money for we have lost, but now tabo ang paito thang sinai. Now what is our position and how do we envision our future? That is also one of the big questions. Singapore suna nang nai, sing tabu bo position no. Looking back at the history, what were we? Sing Jeffrey history nai thang aga sing tamu tong mani. At present context, sing tamu tabu bo position no. And as an indigenous people, sing tongero, sing abono resolution bo mana nai. How do we envision ourselves in our future? Sing bagas in the future look na musung. That is one of the crucial thing. Abono blaike nangkuman itam bagas sing. Tama envision kaisin future ni bagay, we must decide by ourselves. Sunga we decide klainaya. No one can dictate us. Kebo sunga dictate klai this should be your future amos haimenia. Even though we are into initial contact. So our sini future na by envision kind. Abang ke that is it depends on us. So we must decide what is our future. So as a cox, since we have very limited time, thank you once again to Kulum Kazotono.